Let's look at how to set up categories in your gradebook based on your syllabus or other grading policies in your course. Start in the course that you want to organize, then scroll down looking for Administration on the left side. Click the option that says Gradebook Setup. This gradebook may look a little overwhelming since it isn't organized and you're not familiar with the assignments that are here. This is actually similar to the reaction that students might have when they head to the gradebook for the first time of a new course. Categories are extremely useful for making a gradebook organized for you as the grader and for students when they check their grade. To start creating some organization, you'll head over to the top right where it says Add and click Add Category. You'll be prompted to give your category a name. If you're interested in learning more about the gradebook options, clicking on the question marks will open up an explanation of what each setting does. From here, we're just going to click Save. Our new category will appear at the very bottom of the gradebook. Now that we have our category, we can add grade items to it. Fortunately, I can click the selection boxes to the left and then select Move at the bottom. From here, I can choose the category that I want them to go to, and then select Move. Once the page reloads, all of my grade items will be organized into the correct category. The category will also display the weight that it carries for students' overall grades. These default weights are helpful for cross-checking what's in Moodle and what's in the syllabus. Another way to categorize an assignment without heading into the gradebook is within its settings. If you add an assignment during a week, you can choose its category while creating it by looking for it under the grading menu. If you have any further questions or problems with creating or managing categories in your courses, the Office of Online and Distance Learning is available to help.